If your dishes are coming out your dishwasher dirty or smelly, you may want to get one of these off-the-shelf products that claim to clean your dishwasher. Stop there, don't buy them. They're like a band-aid to the problem. They don't actually fix what is causing the dishes to come out smelly or dirty. And one of the major problems why your dishwasher doesn't clean very well is you're not rinsing off the plates before you put them in the dishwasher. This means you're getting large leaves of lettuce or large clumps of rice. Things like that tend to clog parts of the dishwasher. What I'd recommend you do is you rinse off the plate and then get rid of those large particles, get them in the trash so they're not clogging the dishwasher. Leaving some sauce and residue on the plate, that's okay. The dishwasher likes that. That means it's going to have something to clean when you turn it on. Where the problem starts is after so long of running your dishwasher, there's going to be a build-up of product, and that's going to get caught below this mesh filter here. Now, every dishwasher is going to be a little bit different. Some dishwashers have this mesh filter underneath the washer arm, but you can see this dishwasher here, I have a separate mesh filter. Problem lies deeper. You need to unscrew this filter housing here, and for my filter here, you just need to turn this anti-clockwise about 160 degrees and pop it off. Now you can see all this gunk that is built up in this filter, and that's what's causing the bad smell, and that's why dishes aren't coming out clean, because this water is getting recirculated around the dishwasher and it's trying to clean your dishes with dirty water. How can you clean something if the water is already dirty? If you're getting a bad smell in your dishes, I typically find this happens on our glasses. That means that the water is going through this filter, getting recirculated around, and then trying to clean our glasses with this dirty water, and that's where they start to smell really bad. So what you need to do is rinse this underneath a sink. Doesn't need to be very complicated. I like to use the shower head. And then I just rinse off all this gunk, make sure to get the outside and the inside, and I do this every 2 to 3 weeks, depending how much we run the dishwasher. We run ours once a day, so I'd recommend you do it every couple of weeks just to make sure your dishwasher is actually cleaning your dishes properly. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, you may want to get one of these dishwasher cleaning solutions. Now, they will clean your dishwasher on the inside, but they won't clean the filter. They won't break down this dirt and debris. The only way to clean out this debris is to remove the filter, wash it like I just did, and then put it back together. Putting the filter back in is just the reverse of taking it out. You put the mesh screen filter in first, and then you just slot the filter. An area that gets really gross, it's really difficult to clean, so you're going to have to do this manually, is along this seal right along here. On the inside and the outside, I recommend you get some paper towel and wipe that regularly when you're cleaning the filter. It's going to ensure that the dishwasher is clean everywhere. Make sure to clean up the sides as well. You don't want to have any gunk built up around there. You can see mine is really clean because this dishwasher is brand new, but it does start to build up really quickly. You may see things out there telling you to use liquid detergent over the pods. That doesn't really matter. I prefer to use the pods, but overall you can get a really good clean dishes by using either or. Just buy the one that fits your budget and cleans the dishes as well as you would like. If you want to get a cleaning solution because you want to clean the inside of the dishwasher, by all means get one of them. But if you want an alternative, get some vinegar and run the dishwasher with the vinegar in there instead, and it will clean that just as well as one of those cleaners, and it's much cheaper.